For more on Nvidia's results, we're joined by Christopher Rolland, Senior Analyst at Susquehanna International. Good afternoon to you, Chris. Thanks for joining us. What's the standout here for these numbers? Across the board beat or some subsectors in particular that stand out?
Yeah, so I think first of all, this is a better than feared report. I think sentiment was low. It's underperformed the stocks going into this print. And as we look at the different sectors, they've really only announced results in which gaming and auto are good. Data center was a tad bit disappointing. But if you actually look to the guidance for next quarter, and we still have to wait for more details here, but if I were to kind of guess here, the gross margin guidance is outstanding for next quarter, which might lead some people to believe that data center, basically AI products is the way to think about that, is better than expected.
How important is data center to the long-term story around this company and the stock? Huge.
As we look at the addressable market for AI and this company as a leading player in AI training, this could be a $50 billion market someday, is what Jensen's talked about. So we're only a few billion into this. So the fact that AI is on track again, perhaps for these guys after a couple of difficult quarters, could bring a lot of bulls back to life here.
In terms of the gaming, which is the biggest sort of chunk of revenue, strong quarter, as you said, how's competition playing out there for them at the moment? Who are the main rivals and what's on the docket?
Yeah, so this is a two-horse race, Nvidia and AMD. AMD just came out with their Navi products that are just going to be ramping now. AMD has about 25% share. I would expect that to go to maybe 30% share on these new products. But Nvidia is going to have a 7-nanometer chip. They're going to be able to match and even surpass AMD probably in the spring of next year and take that share back again.
What's your assessment of the semi sector more broadly right now, given the numbers we've gotten, where we're at with inventory levels, and also the fact that next week you potentially have the end of that extension for some of these companies to be supplying Huawei?
Yeah, it's been super challenging for the industry since last September. We have 10 months of consecutive lead time drops. We think lead times are a great indicator of demand behind it. So we should be coming out of the semi cycle, down cycle, if this was a traditional cycle, but this is lingering and it continues to linger.
Key focus on the call for Nvidia?
Can I focus on the call?
What's your key focus for the call? Sorry.
Yeah. No problem.
I imagine you'll be focusing on the call later.
I will. So really it's going to be some of these details around why gross margin's better, whether we're going to get a reacceleration in data center, and then also OpEx. OpEx for the first time in a long time is actually a little bit better here. And if they truly are focused on driving lower OpEx and higher EPS as a result, this is a new kind of moment for them.
Your rating on Nvidia?
Positive.